What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be installing a brand new mod on the wide body Supra here. I'm very excited about this mod because I think it's going to be the best mod I've ever done on the Supra to increase drivability. Everything I've done so far has pretty much just been cosmetic and a little bit of performance, but like I said, this mod is going to change the game when it comes to driving, and I'm going to show you why in just a second. So the best part about this mod is that it actually only takes about 5 minutes to install from start to finish, and that probably includes unboxing too. And let me show you what you're actually going to need to install these. One is going to be the plastic pry tool, usually used to remove interior trim pieces. You can get these at pretty much any auto parts store for a couple dollars. Scissors is just to open the box, and a microfiber is just to protect your existing car. All right guys, let's open these up and I'll show you what we're actually talking about in this video. So these are from Suma Performance. These are their convex mirrors for the Supra. These have a blue tint on them that's actually supposed to make them anti-glare. They're wide angle, so it's supposed to help with blind spot visibility. They're also supposed to be hydrophobic, which is gonna repel water. It's gonna make these a lot easier to clean and maintain. So we're gonna pop these on the car and I'm gonna show you what the difference in visibility looks like inside of the vehicle. All right guys, so we just did a little water test on the mirrors and they definitely do seem a little bit more water repellent compared to the OEM mirrors. The water does run off them a little bit easier. But what we're gonna do now is actually just pop off the factory mirror, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. You can just kind of push this back to get the pry tool underneath. I'm just using the microfiber to protect the existing mirror, but all it takes is a little pop and this thing comes right off. And what you're going to do is just disconnect the OEM wiring. It's going to plug right back in to the new mirrors. So we're going to pop that off right now, and then I'll show you what the new ones look like. Alright guys, so that literally took 5 minutes. Like I said in the beginning, the mirrors are completely installed. Everything looks really good. I'm really excited to see what the perspective looks like on the actual road while you're driving, because I do think it's going to increase blind spot visibility a lot. And that's probably one of my biggest complaints with this car, is that it's so small inside and you don't have much view of your blind spots while you're driving. So I think this is really going to help. Like I said, this is going to be a major drivability upgrade. And I did end up using one extra tool. This is just like a pick or poke tool I had, just to help disconnect the connectors a little bit easier, but this isn't necessary. If you don't have one, you can use like a toothpick or even just like a flathead screwdriver. So that's pretty much going to do it for the install. Let's take this thing for a ride and we'll give you our first impressions on it. Wow. All right guys, off the bat, I gotta say these things are very impressive. As soon as I got in the car, I was like blown away by how wide the view is of the actual mirrors. You can literally see everything in your side now. I don't even have to like look over my shoulder to see what's next to me anymore. And what's great about these mirrors is you still have the blind spot detection symbol. It still works inside the mirrors, so you're not going to lose that feature of the car. The blue tint is actually pretty interesting. I actually like it a lot. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about that, but this is actually really cool. I can see the sun shining on the car next to me's windshield, and it's not like glaring, like blinding in my face. I'm like, I can look at it without sunglasses, and it's actually really not bad at all. I'm actually really liking these. I'm very impressed so far. I'm gonna get into a little bit wider road here, and then I'll show you the actual view from the driver position. All right guys, so just to give you a little perspective, this is from like inside the driver's side. This mirror, this is a 3-lane road. It's actually a very large road here, and I can actually see 3 lanes over. That car right there is actually just like right next to me. Alright guys, I want to give a massive thank you to Suma Performance for sending us over these mirrors to try out on the Supra. One of my biggest complaints with this car was blind spot visibility, and honestly I didn't even know there was an option like this to change that. Like I said, when we were driving, I would give these mirrors a 10 out of 10. I would highly recommend these to anybody that owns this car, and they also offer these for a bunch of different models. You can check that out on their website. If you are interested in picking up a set of these mirrors for your Supra, I'm gonna have a link down in the description where you can find these, and at checkout you can type in a discount code that's gonna be in the description and displayed on the screen here for you to use to save yourself a little bit of money. But that's pretty much going to do it for this video, guys. If you guys have any questions on these, make sure you drop a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer any questions you guys might have. And if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I have a massive surprise coming in the next video. But until next time, guys, I will see you around.